Hey everybody, welcome back to our Texas Homestead. Today's a little better video, I guess. I don't know. You tell me. I had a viewer come write in and ask about antique cast iron. And watching one of my older videos to where I use a self-cleaning oven to clean cast iron. And no, I do not recommend cleaning antique cast iron in a self-cleaning oven because the metals are different. And they're not as thick. Like your Wagners or Griswolds, they're so much lighter, your favorites. Lodges, man, I tell you what, they're kind of hard to kill. Just being honest with you. I've self-cleaned hundreds of lodges and never had an issue. But your Wagners are thinner, they like to warp just by normal cooking. So, they say to live in an apartment. I can't make an E-tank or a lye bath. Beg to differ. So, I'm going to show you how to do an apartment or a easy, quick lye bath to do your cast iron in. Okay? It's pretty simple. I'm going to show you real quick in this 5-gallon bucket. Okay? 5-gallon bucket of cold water. And this is sodium hydroxide, which is lye. This is food grade. And this is 2 pounds. You only need a pound of it, especially for this much water. Always use cold water. Okay? You wear gloves because it's caustic. Okay? When you're adding your lye, do not add the water on top of your lye. Add your lye first. Add your lye second. You don't want this stuff in the air. Okay? That's about half. Yes, I threw that on the ground. That's because I'm putting that on top of it. Now, I don't know what size pan they have that they're putting in it. So I had this BCR, Birmingham Stove and Range, BSR, Birmingham Stove and Range. This is a patent pending skillet. This is the first year they came out with it. Do recommend wearing gloves. This is a number 3 Griswold that I haven't cleaned up yet. And then I have what looks like a number 3 Birmingham Stove and Range, and you can see it's got all the crusties on it like everybody should. As the more you're getting used to it, the more you're using them. Okay, so there's 3. I've got a 4th one I could probably throw in here. A little pan, a little Swedish pan. This one's made in Japan or Taiwan or something like that. But we might as well just throw it in there too, right? So, there you go. There's your lye bath. Quick, easy. Leave it in there 24, 48 hours. Lye will not at all damage your pans. Okay, it will not eat your pans away like vinegar will. Vinegar will actually damage the metal. So lye is your guy. Now, disposing of it, you can either keep it and keep using the lye, or you can dispose of it. Lye is a great drain cleaner. Okay, so throw it down your drain. Throw it down. It's not going to hurt anything. I have a septic system here. Will it clean it? Yeah, I'm sure it'll help clean it. I've never tried it. I have a lot of acreage here to be able to drop some stuff on, so if I need to do it. But lye is fine to go down your drain. It's a great drain cleaner. This actually says, if you read it, equivalent to 2.5 gallons of Drano. Okay, so there you go. Clean your drains. Do whatever else you want to with it. You can leave them in there as long as you want. Check on them every now and then. See if they're clean. They got all the crusties off that you want off, or all the rust off that you want off, or whatever it is. And you've got a 5-gallon bucket of cleaner for your cast iron pans. So, quick video for you. Hope this helps them out and helps anybody else out. And sorry, I guess I'm gonna go upload this. See y'all later.